What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Poco F5 Pro smartphone with us and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, highlighted specs while performing all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the Poco branding, the device name Poco F5 Pro. It is a 5G capable smartphone. It comes with 12GB RAM, 256GB storage. The color variant we got is white of Poco F5 Pro. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is the SIM card tray ejector pin. We got this silicone TPU case for the back panel, and here we got some quick start guide, user manuals, warranty card, etc. Here is our Poco F5 Pro in white color. Here we got a 67-watt charger and a USB Type-C cable. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Poco F5 Pro. The smartphone, 67-watt charger, USB Type-C cable, the case for the back panel, and the quick start guide, user manuals, etc. As you can see, there is no earphones provided and you will have to get one to use along with the Poco F5 Pro. So here you can see we got some hardware specs mentioned of the device. So Poco F5 Pro comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. We got a WQHD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate. This is an AMOLED display that comes with Dolby Vision. We got the Dolby Atmos powered speaker setup, 30-watt wireless charging, 67-watt wired charging, and the battery capacity is 5160. And then we got a 64-megapixel triple rear camera setup with optical image stabilization, an ultra-wide camera, and a dedicated macro lens. Poco F5 Pro in white color. So let's switch on the device. So now we will have to go through the setup process, and after that we will have a detailed look on our Poco F5 Pro here. And here we go. So now our Poco F5 Pro is ready to be used. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, we got a 6.67-inch display with very thin bezels. The bezels on the sides are symmetrical, and also the bottom bezel is very thin. At the top center of the display, you will find this very tiny cutout for the front-facing camera, and it is one of the tiniest punch hole that you will find on smartphones. The display is slightly curved on all four sides, as you can see here. At the bottom, we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone, the SIM card tray slot. At the top we got another speaker grill. So Poco F5 Pro comes with a stereo speaker setup. We got the IR blaster and the secondary microphone. Right above the front facing camera there is a tiny slit used for the earpiece purpose. On the right side we got the power key and the volume rockers. There is nothing provided on the left side, and at the back of the device we got the Poco 5G branding, regulatory information, and this rear camera setup consisting of triple rear cameras. The camera island is quite prominent, and as you can see it's pretty thick as well coming out of the back panel, so your device will wiggle a bit for sure if you keep it on a flat surface. So better to use the provided back panel case to avoid this issue. We got this tiny OIS cam branding and this dual tone dual LED on the camera module that is also divided in two different color tones. The back panel is glossy and it will attract fingerprints and smudges very easily, but the good part with the white color variant of Poco F5 Pro is that they are not visible at all. The sides of the back panel are slightly curved, and because of that provide a very nice grip while holding the device in hand. With 8.6 mm thickness, Poco F5 Pro is a bit thick, but because of the curved edges of the back panel, it does not look that thick. It weighs 204 grams, and considering the fact that it comes with a huge 6.6-inch display and 5160 mAh battery, it is still not that heavy and you can easily use it with one hand without facing any issue. and it also comes with wireless charging. That is quite impressive in this price segment for sure. It comes with IP53 splash resistance. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and it also comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied on it. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.67-inch WQHD Plus AMOLED display with 3200 x 1440 pixels screen resolution. So the PPI you will get is very high, and because of that the display is very sharp. You won't see any pixelation on the display of Poco F5 Pro. The colors are very well saturated. The viewing angles are also very nice, and it comes with 5:1 contrast ratio, DCI-P3 color gamut support, along with 1920 Hz PWM display dimming to avoid a screen flickering issue. So you won't feel any screen flickering issue even at the lowest brightness, and the maximum brightness of the device can go as high as 1400 nits. So you won't face any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. And because of the 120 Hz refresh rate, the display of Poco F5 Pro is very smooth, as you can see here. Talking about the software side, Poco F5 Pro comes with Android 13 and MIUI 14 that is very feature rich and comes with lots of options and settings that you can use to improve your productivity while using the device. Out of 256 GB storage, 27.9 GB is preoccupied, and you will get around 228 GB storage available for the user. It comes with 12 GB RAM with the RAM expansion feature, and you can increase the RAM up to 7 GB on Poco F5 Pro. So you will get 12 GB plus 7 GB virtual RAM on your Poco F5 Pro, and if you want you can turn off this feature as well. On the home screen of Poco F5 Pro you will find a set of Google applications, and then we got some MIUI apps like Gallery, Mi Browser Music, Game Center, Notes, Themes, Mi Video Cleaner. We got the File Manager, Share Me, Clock, Poco Community. The Netflix is pre-installed, and then we got the Tools folder where you will find some useful applications including Mi Remote to use the IR blaster provided on Poco F5 Pro. It also comes with QR code scanner and compass, and then we got more app section where you will find some bloatware pre-installed on Poco F5 Pro. But the good part is that if you do not want to use any of them, then you can simply uninstall them from your device. So it's a good thing that Poco is not forcing you to have all of these third-party applications on your device if you do not want to use them on your Poco F5 Pro. Now talking about the camera, on the front side we got a 16 megapixel front facing camera, and then on the back of the device we got 64 megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 2 megapixel macro lens. The primary camera can record up to 8K resolution videos, and if you launch the camera application then this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that it comes with HDR with AI for the photos. For videos we got the HDR options as well, along with the stabilization. You can select up to 8K resolution videos at 24 fps or 4K resolution videos up to 60 fps. And then we got the document mode, Pro mode, that gives you the option to use various customization while taking a picture. We got the portrait mode, that is the combination of the bokeh effect and some beautification. We got the dedicated night mode that is also available on the wide angle lens, and if you go to more section you will find that Poco F5 Pro comes with lots of camera modes and features like short video, panorama, vlog mode, slow motion, time lapse. We got the movie effects, long exposure, dual video, and the clone feature of MIUI is available on the camera of Poco F5 Pro as well. So it is looking quite feature rich for sure. We will see how good it's going to be in our detailed review of Poco F5 Pro. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. But at the first glance it's looking quite solid for sure. So at the first glance Poco F5 Pro is looking a very solid smartphone and way better than many other smartphones in this price segment, as it comes with a very powerful and flagship Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, 12 GB RAM, up to 512 GB storage, liquid cooled technology 2.0, a 6.67-inch display with huge WQHD plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, Corning Gorilla Glass protection, 1400 nits maximum brightness, in-display fingerprint sensor, a huge 5160 mAh battery with 67 watt wired charging and 30 watt wireless charging. And the device is quite beautiful looking as well. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of Poco F5 Pro are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.